morning, y'all. Today is December the 4th. It's currently 7:15 a.m. Central Time. I just finished working out about an hour ago. I started at 4:30 and completed at 6 a.m. So now I'm about to cook breakfast for my son and I. And then after that, I have a spa day planned today at noon. But before I go to the spa, I'm gonna, like I said, cook breakfast, clean up. I have 2 loads of clothes I need to fold up, and that's about it. Not really that much going on today, other than just my spa day. So do an outfit check for the day. Glasses from Amazon, earrings from Gucci, gold bracelet from Zales, Michael Kors gold watch, bag is Kurt Geiger, vest is from either H&M or Amazon. I have on my doggy Christmas t-shirt from Walmart, my black sweats is from Walmart, and I have on my Nike tennis shoes. It's my outfit for the day. Hey y'all, I'm back. I'm on the road finally. On my way to my spa appointment. I kind of really like these glasses. These glasses are cute. I got these from Amazon. I think I'm gonna turn them into prescription. Right now they're non-prescription, so I think I'm gonna turn them into prescription because I can see myself wearing these all the time. I have a lot of outfits that would go with these frames. So yeah. Anyway, guys, I don't want to bore you. I'm gonna get on down this highway, listen to me some music. To go mail off my uncle's birthday card. His birthday is coming up. It's December the 8th, so hopefully he will get this card in time before his birthday. But yeah, once I make it back home, I was love to tell you guys my experience of my facial that I had done today. I'm very happy with it. So when I make it home, I will tell you more about it. About to walk inside the post office now. Y'all, I finally made it back home. It's 3:30 p.m. I've been gone since 10:30 a.m. So I went to Memphis this morning, well, made it there by noon, to go get a facial done. Because she suctioned all the blackhead out of my skin. Look at it. You see that glow, y'all? This was the problem area I had. This right here, I didn't have any problem with that area, just this area. I used to have acne when I was younger. But anyway, oh my God, y'all, look at the results. I'm sorry that I wasn't able to take a before and after picture, but if you go back and look at the beginning of the vlog, you will see the difference of my skin and how smooth it is. So if you guys live in the Memphis area, go to Massage Envy, located in the Germantown area, and ask for Cora, C-O-R-A. I will link her information in the description box below. Anyway, yes, baby. Your girl looking good. But anyway, I'm going to go fold up some clothes that's piled up on my bed. I thought I had folded them all up until my son brought a load out from, I guess, where I washed clothes 2 or 3 days ago. I guess I forgot about the load. It was a load that was in my dryer, so I have to fold those up. So once I fold those up, I guess I'm gonna find me something to eat and call it a day. If I find something else to talk about, I might pick back up. If not, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Bye.